Another way of formatting text is known as inline text formatting. Note that this is an outdated way of formatting your text. In the next section, we'll be using CSS to format text and other HTML elements. CSS is a much more efficient way of formatting text and offers a much higher degree of format customization. For this exercise, we'll change the format of header 4 using inline text formatting. We'll apply a font phase, change the font size, and apply a different color. In order to do that, we're going to start with the open font tag. The font tag has different attributes. One of the attributes is the font face. We'll apply the Arial font to this text. The next attribute is the size. And we can plug in any numerical value here. And the font color is another attribute. We'll change the color to blue. Next, we'll just add the closing font tag. And this is known as inline text formatting. So let's go ahead and save the file and preview the file in our browser. And there it is. We can see the header is much larger. It's now blue, and the font face is different than the other headers. It's Arial.